Focus it. Okay, Mama will do it when you're the one again. Focus it more, a little bit higher.
Okay.
Closer first.
This is my mom's noodles.
Yeah, a special bihon.
Yeah,
See?
bihon.
The ingredients is special bihon and carrots and the cabbage and ham. This time I use ham, but you can use pork or beef or shrimp. Okay.
Because that's the shrimp.
Yeah. See, this is the special bihon that I use. And then I have a carrot in here and cabbage. And then you can just slice like long slice.
Yeah, very, very humongous
Yeah.
size.
And then you put some. You saute the pork or ham or shrimp, and then saute the the vegetables and put some water in it. Put some put some soy sauce, and then add the bihon, and that's it. Put some like. See that? That's really yummy.
Yep. And
put some pepper in it.
Yep.
The black pepper.
You can't really see it raining, but you can't see it.
Okay. This is the yummy.
It's okay for me.
Okay, sure. There you go. This is our bihon. It's done. Yum, yum, yum.
Of course it is.